Hello friends, so today I'm going to tell you how you can select a portion of your clip and drag it into your timeline. Okay, so I have two clip over here, so clip number one and clip number two, and I want some portion from this clips. Okay, so I'll just select the position from where I want the clip to be. Then I will just press and hold on to the R button from my keyboard, and after that I will just go ahead and drag it. Okay, so once I selected this, I will just go ahead and drag into the timeline. Okay, from my second clip, I will just select the position from where I want the clip to start, press and hold R, and just drag this into my timeline. Okay, and you can also select it from the clip in the timeline. So similarly, the same thing, just press and hold the R button, drag and select the clip that you want. Okay. Also, friends, I would like to tell you about two keyboard shortcuts, I and O. If you select a position in the clip and if you press O button from your keyboard, a range will be selected from the start till the position which you have clicked. And similarly, if you click on a position and if you press the I button, a range will be selected from the position that you clicked till the end. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe if you have not already subscribed. Thank you again, and bye bye.